today the perimeter. Means what is the perimeter of a figure? Perimeter of any figure means what? The boundary. Boundary of any figure. So let's start with this word peri here. Peri here means around. Around means you can understand the boundary wall, and the meter here means measurement. Measurement of anything. Okay. So let's discuss the perimeter of rectangle, square, equilateral triangle and so on. Now, how we will derive the formula for the perimeter of rectangle, square and equilateral triangle. Let's understand first the derivation of formulas. So, this is a rectangle. The bigger side, the longer side, we will take it as a L, that is length of this. We will denote with letter L, and the shortest side we will take it as B, that is breadth. Okay. So, how we will derive the formula here? What is a perimeter? As I told you, it is the measurement of the boundary, the walls. So, that is equal to, perimeter means the sum of the boundary. So, AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. Now, we will put the values here. AB is what? L plus BC is B, CD is again L and AD is B. Why? Because we know here that opposite sides of the rectangle is equal. Okay. So now L plus L will be what? 2L plus 2B. That is equal to, we will take 2 as a common here, length plus breadth. So perimeter of rectangle, this is the way we have to derive the formula for perimeter of rectangle. Now for the square. Square again, the sum of the boundary walls of the square will be the perimeter of a square. So again we will start. Suppose we take, in square we know all the sides are equal. So we will take it as PQ as A. Suppose length of PQ is A centimeter. So this will also be A. So perimeter of square, how we will take out? Now we will add PQ plus QR plus SR plus SP. All are A plus A plus A plus A, that is equal to 4 times A. So this is perimeter of square means 4 multiply with the side. This is the perimeter of square. Similarly, we will find for the equilateral triangle. So very simple. The common concept here is sum of the boundary wall is the perimeter. Again we will do here same thing. Equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal. So it will be what? XY plus YZ plus XZ. So suppose again I take here A centimeter, then it will be A. Then it is what? A plus A plus A is equal to 3 times A. So this is the simple derivation of formula. We need not learn it, mug up it. This is the simple summation of the boundary walls of the figure. Okay, let's start with few examples. Now, if we have to find the perimeter of some random figure like this, means up till now we had done the rectangle, square, equilateral triangle, but simple if this type of figure is there and if we have to find the perimeter of this figure. So what we have to do, again we have to add all the boundaries only. So we had given here with the measurement. Suppose I label it as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and I. So what we have to do? We have to write perimeter of the figure. Perimeter of figure, given figure will be what? AI plus IH plus HG plus GF plus FE plus ED plus CD plus BC. So what we have to do here? Simple, we have to add the boundaries. Okay. So let's start putting the values. Now AI is what? Is equal to 1.5 plus 1 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 1 plus 10 plus 5 plus 6.5. So when we add it up all, we will get here 42. Okay, these are in terms of centimeters. So 42 centimeter is the perimeter of the given figure. So this is the way we have to find the perimeter. Very easy. Now I have a quiz for you. I'll give you up a question and you have to just ping me the answer in the comment box. Participate to clear the concept. So this is a question for you all. 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3, 3 and 1. You have to find the perimeter of this figure and ping me the answer in the comment box. Okay. So let's start the another question. Now, question is, what is the length of the side of a square park whose perimeter is 80 meter? So this is a park here and it is in a shape of a square. Square means all its sides are equal. The measurement is equal. Now what we have to find? The length of the side. And what is given? Perimeter is given here. So how we will solve it? Perimeter of square park, okay, is given what? 80 meter. Now perimeter of square, we know here the formula is instead of formula also we can remember here side plus side plus side plus side. So 4 times side. So 4 multiply with the side is what? 80 meter. Okay. Now what we have to find? The length of the side, that is equal to 4. We will take it down. Why? Because we have multiply. The other way, when we will take it, it will be divide. So the side is what? 20 meters. So the length of one side is 20 meter. All are 20, 20, 20. Very easy. So this is the way we have to solve this type of questions. Coming towards the next type. Now the question is, if the perimeter of rectangle is given, length is given and we have to find the breadth. So how we will solve it? Let's check. Shortly I will write here, perimeter of rectangle is equal to twice length plus breadth. Okay. So what is the perimeter? Given here is 80. 2 we will write as it is, the value is 30 plus breadth. Now we have to remember here this type of question. Always what we have to find, we have to keep it in the one side and rest of the numbers we will take it to the other side so that we can get the value here. So slowly we will take it. This is the bracket here. We will keep it as it is. First 2 multiply with this bracket. So 80 divide by 2. This 2 we will take it here. Divide is equal to 30 plus b. Then we will solve it. 1s are 2, 40 times. So 40 is equal to 30 plus b. Now we will keep b in the right side and we will bring 30 in the left side. So we will get the answer here. Breadth is equal to 10 millimeter. So this is the way we have to solve when length or breadth is given and one we have to find out. The other one we have to find out. Now coming towards the next type of question. Now, if this type of question is there, perimeter of rectangle we have to find, length is 2.9 meter, breadth is 80 centimeter. Now you can see here units are different. So first what we have to do, we have to convert the units. Conversion of units I explained in my previous video. I will just put it in the description. So what we have to do here, first we will convert, which is a bigger unit, meter. So we will convert meter into centimeter. That is the easiest way. 1 meter is what? 100 centimeter. So it will be 2.9 multiply with 100 is 290 centimeters. Now we will start solving. 2 is equal to L plus B. The formula 2, length we got here 290 plus 80. Now we will solve it further. 2, that is when we add it up we get here as 370. Now 2 multiply with 370 is what? 740 centimeter. All are in centimeters now. 290, 80 in a single unit. Now again we can convert it back into meters because this is a big number I can see here. So we can just convert it back. 740 centimeter. If we divide it by 100, we will get it in meters. 7.4 meters. Now the question here is, the length of a rectangular park is 0.140 kilometer and its breadth is 80 meter. What is the perimeter of park in meters? 3 rounds of barbed wire are needed to fence the park. Find the cost of fencing the park if the barbed wire costs rupees 2.2 per meter. Now we have to first concentrate in one part of the question. We will just divide this type of question. The length of a rectangular park is 0.140 kilometer and its breadth is 80 meter. What is the perimeter of park in meters? So first we will find the perimeter of park in meters. Okay, so this is in kilometer, this is in meter. Again we will convert the units first. Perimeter of this rectangular park is 2 length plus breadth. Now what is the length? Length kilometer, we have to change it into meter. So 2 length will be what? 0.140 kilometer. When we change it into meter, 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. So we will multiply it and we will get the answer as 140 meter. Okay. So 140 plus 80 given is equal to what? 2 into 220, that is 440 meter. Now we got here perimeter of this rectangular park is 440 meter. Now first question is finished. Now coming towards the next part of this question. 3 rounds of barbed wire are needed to fence the park. Now it is what? 3 rounds of barbed wire is there. This is just to confuse. This relates to the quantity of the wire. 3 rounds of barbed wire are needed to fence the park. So how many rounds are there? How many wire is there? We are not concerned. It is not written in the question that 3 times we have to round the boundary of the park. It is not like that. If it is like that, then we would have multiplied here with 3, because 3 times we are using the wires here. It is only to confuse. 3 rounds of barbed wire are needed. So okay, 3 rounds are needed. So we will not do anything for that. Simply now what we have to do, find the cost of fencing the park if the barbed wire cost rupees this much. So we will find the cost of fencing as 440 perimeter into 2.20 per meter is given. We will just multiply and get the answer as rupees 968 for the total cost. When we used how many rounds of wire is given to fence, we are not concerned, because it is not like that this is the boundary of the park and we have to do 3 times, 1 time, again 2, again 3, then we will multiply here with 3 also. It is not like that. It is just the quantity of the wire. So we will just calculate the cost here like this. Now I have a question for you all. Now this is the question for you all. How many meters of fencing is required to enclose a square vegetable garden with side 19 meter? And the next is, what is the cost of fencing the border of this garden at rupees 5 per meter? So hint here is, you have to find, again fencing means the border we have to take out. So the perimeter of the square you will find, and then the cost of fencing the border. So here I end up my video and I am waiting for the answers. Just ping me the answer in the channel and please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.